Good morning, friend. Today we want to start now new lesson, that is arithmetic progression. Chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. It is related with the 11th and 12th science and also related with the government exam. First of all, we have to understand the meaning related arithmetic and progression. Progression means continuous. Progression means continuous and arithmetics means number. When number are in fixed pattern continue, we can say arithmetic progression. In our daily life we can see some examples related with the pattern. So you have also observed in nature many things follow a certain pattern, such as petals of sunflower, holes of honeycomb, grain on a maize cob, spirals on a pineapple or a pine cone, etc. These are all the pattern. So today we want to discuss first pattern, or we can say sequence, and then we go to the arithmetic progression. પહેલા શું ડિસ્કસ કરશું પેટર્ન્સ ઉપર. What is the meaning of patterns? તો કે અલગ અલગ પેટર્ન્સ હોય, or we can say sequence. In sequence. Afterward we can go for arithmetic progression. Sequence માં કોને કહેવાય કે what we can say sequence. So in our daily life we have seen the sequence. આ એક sequence માં છે. You see that Reena applied for a job and got selected. She has been offered a job with a starting monthly 8,000. Well, an 8,000 monthly salary. Now annual increment is 5,000. So first year salary, second year salary, third year. So we can say sequence. જો એમાં 500 નો addition છે. So it is a perfect sequence kevai. If you will see that the 500 no addition, so we can say it is a sequence. Now question number example second, length. Length of the rungs of ladder decrease uniformly by 2 cm from bottom to top. Length of the first, second, third. So here it is centimeter, 45, 43, 41, 39. So 2 decrease by 2. So we can say it is in sequence pattern. We can say it is in sequence. So every time equal addition, either add or subtract or multiply or divide, but equal every time, then we can say it is a sequence. So in two sum first we have add, in second we have to subtract. Now in third you will see that every time sequence is not equal here, so we cannot say it is a pattern, because 10,000, 12,500, so difference is 12,500. Now here it is not a 12,500, it is 3125. So it is not a proper pattern, we can say. So according to the arithmetic progression, if we go, pattern must be or sequence, pattern or sequence. Sequence must follow the rules by fixed addition number, that is plus, minus, multiple or divide. Then we can say it is a proper sequence. So these are all the example. So now 1 square, 2 square, that is 1, 2 square 4, 9. So here they have no equal pattern. So from the above example, what we have concluded, in sum we find that succeeding terms are obtained by adding. First example is 8,000, that is first term. Now second term, that is 8,500. So by adding 500 fixed number, or by multiplying a fixed number, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, multiple of 2, or 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So we can say they are in fixed pattern. We find that the square of consecutive number and so on. In this chapter we shall discuss out one of these pattern in which succeeding terms are obtained by. આ લેસનમાં કેનું ડિસ્કસ કરવાનું છે કે જેમાં સક્સીડિંગ ટર્મ અગર મળવો જોતો હોય તો are obtained by adding fixed number to the preceding. if 10 is there, તો અહીં લખું 15, તો 5 is added, 20, 25. We shall also see how to find the nth term, our છેલ્લો term. That is sum of consecutive, પછી plus નું પણ છે. That we have to discuss in this chapter. So now we go for the arithmetic progression. So these are all the proper arithmetic progression. Now we will see it is called series or progression. Consider the following list of term 1, 2, 3, 4. You will see 3 dots always we have to put. 3 dot means continuous. 1 dot means full stop. Life ma full stop na hovu joye, continuous hovu joye. So we can 3 dot. Again here difference is 30, 30, 30 and then 3 dot. Again here difference is plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Again here difference is 0. Again here minus 1.5, sorry, minus 0.5. So if we add minus 0.5, then minus 3, minus 3.5, minus 4.0, here 1, minus 2, sorry 2 and 3. Here difference is 30 but minus 30. So now if I will add 10 minus 30, 70, 70 minus 30, 40, 40 minus 30, 10, 10 minus 30, 20, minus 20, minus 20 minus 30, minus 50. So that way it is continuing. Here it is 5, 6 and 7. So in mathematics what we call, આ બધાને શું કહેવાય? તો કે first we call term. What we have call it? Term. પહેલા એને શું કહેવું જોઈએ? Term કહે છે. Here it is a term. Given a term, you can write the number term in which of the list above. So we know the pattern. Here plus 1 is there. Here minus 30 is there. Here minus, if you will add plus 1, so difference is plus 1. This difference is 30. Here difference is plus 1. Here difference is 0. So in first sum, see now, one more term preceding. What is the meaning of preceding? And apachino. In second, 30 less in preceding. In third, adding 1. In fourth, all the terms of list 3, that is each term is adding with 0. And બધામાં 0 add કર્યું. And in fourth, 0 point minus 5. So all the list above, we see that successive terms are obtained by adding fixed number to the preceding. Definition of arithmetic progression. Successive terms are obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. Such a list of number is said to be arithmetic progression. That is called arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression કેને કહેવાય? So you have to write this. Write કરીને, note કરીને you have to write. An arithmetic progression is a list of number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. So common difference must be positive or negative or 0 પણ હોય. If you will see 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Here it is, difference is 0. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So difference is plus 1. 100, 70. So 30. Then minus difference, minus 30. So first of all, you have to understand the definition of arithmetic progression. And we have to know what we call, it is called term, and a term kevai. Difference, common difference symbol is D. And term first we can say A, initial term ne A we can say. So denoted by the, first term is denoted by the A1. Always it is A1. Second term A2. And last term, that is A minus 1. We can say K. Now some examples are right here. So first term From this question we can find out the first term A, that is 147. Difference, what is the meaning of difference? Then second term A2 minus A1. So it is 148 minus 147, that is 1. So difference is D is equal to 1. So two things we have to find out, either A we have to find out, D, or we have to find out the term. So in first we can say plus 1, in second we can say plus 0.1. If I add 0.13, if I add 0.1, 2.9. So now that should be general form of AP. A, first term is called A, second term, how we can find out? A plus D, third term A plus 2D, fourth term A plus 3D. So arithmetic progressions where A is the first term and D is the common difference, then general form of AP is, it is called general form of arithmetic progression. AP is also called finite AP because we have to count it. There are two types, finite and infinite. Infinite we cannot count it. Infinite we can count. So finite numbers of term, fixed number of term. So arithmetic progression is also called finite AP. So in which we can also find out the last term. That is why it is called finite AP. Now we go for directly to the exercise, or we can say example first. So now first example, for AP 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, write the first term A and common difference D. So if I want to find out the first term, that is, it is easy. Now how I find out D? Then I have to say A2 minus A1. So what is A2? That is 1 by 2. A1, that is 3 by 2. So 1 minus 3 by 2, that is minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. D is equal to minus 1. So D is equal to minus 1. So common difference also we have get, and first term also we have get. Now we check. So remember that we can find D using any two consecutive terms. We can also find out from these two terms, but consecutive. Here A1, A2, A3, A4. So A4 minus A3, that is minus 3 by 2 minus minus 1 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So minus 2 by 2, answer is minus 1. Now example number second. Which of the following list of terms, which of the following list of numbers form an AP? We have to see that how we can say AP if D is common. Common difference is every time same. So if you will see first example, that is A1, A2, A3 and A4. So first A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, that is 10 minus 4, 6, 16 minus 10, 6, 22 minus 16, that is 6. Every time difference is same, then we can say it is arithmetic progression. What we can say? Yes, every time difference is same, so we can say yes, it is arithmetic progression. Now what is A? A is equal to 4 and D is equal to 6. Always remember. Now second, in second, if you will see second, here question related with the second. So here it is second. Now A1, A2, A3, A4. Now A1 is 1, A2 is minus 1, A3 is minus 3 and A4 is minus 5. Now what is our target to find out D? That is A2 minus A1. So A2 is what? Minus 1. Again 1. So minus 1, that is minus 2. In first, D is equal to 2. Now second, that is A3 minus A2. So if you will A3, that is minus 3. Here again minus 1. So minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. Again D is equal to minus 2. Every time D is equal to minus 2. So we can say answer is again yes. And D is equal to minus 2. Difference is equal to minus 2. So it is a basic information related arithmetic progression from which we can find out A and D, and it is arithmetic progression or not, that we can say either yes or no. Common difference every time is same, we can say yes. Common difference is not every time equal, we can say no. So in third and fourth it is not. So now we have to start from exercise 5.1, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 questions are there. Afterward we can go for next exercise. So before we start it, now we have to discuss again. Already we have discussed. In which of the following situation does the list of number invoked make an arithmetic progression and why? So first of all we have to find out A every time, or we can say A1, A2, A3, and common difference is same. Common difference must be same રહેવો જોઈએ. Now taxi fare after each kilometer when fare is 15 km from the first and 8 for each addition. So first is 15. Now 15 plus 8, that is 23. 23 plus 8, that is 31. So we can say yes, it is. It is arithmetic progression. Why we can say? Because difference D is every time 8 is added. So we can say yes. Now amount of air present in cylinder when vacuum pump is removed, 1/4 of the air remaining in the cycle. So directly we have understand every time if I remove 1/4, but vacuum pump removes 1/4 of air remaining. So it will be reduced, not every time equal. The cost of digging well after every meter when it cost 150 for first meter and rising 50. Again we can say yes. Because initially A1, that is 150. Now A2, add 50, that is 200. A3, that is 250. A4, that is 300. So A1, A2, A3, A4 up to there 150, 200, 250, 300. So we can say yes. Now here it is no, because why? It's a compound interest. Every time compound interest very depend on principal. Now we question go for the second and third. Write the 4 terms of AP. So first I have to write 4 terms. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Then we can find out the 4 term. Write the first 4 term of when the first term A and common difference D are given as follow. So yeah, we can go from the A, that is first term, that is 10. A is equal to 10. Now second, A plus D. A plus D. So A plus D, that is 10 plus 10, that is 20. Now A plus 3D, that is 10. Sorry, A plus 2D, here we have to say 2D. So 2 into 10, that is 10 plus 20, that is 30. Now A plus 3D, so 10, 3 into 10, so 10 plus 30, that is 40. So I am explaining only one, but now you have understand properly. Then I think you have to do it yourself. सो हजी एक कराई दो, सेकंड. सो -2 अगेन a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. So -2 again -2 again -2 again -2, because common difference is 0. So series is like that. Again we have to 4 terms we have to find out. Here it is in decreasing 4, initially 4, now a plus d. First is a, that is already we have 4. 4 minus 3, that is 1. Now a plus 2d. So 4 plus 2 into minus 3. So 4 minus 8, that is minus 4. So 1, 4, minus 4. So 4, 1, minus 4. Same thing, you have to go minus 7. Now 1 is point, decimal point. એને પણ discuss કરી નાખીએ. Here a, that is minus 1.25. Now a plus d, that is second term. So 1 minus 1.25 minus 0.25. So minus minus plus. So minus 1.5. a plus 2d. Therefore minus 1.25 minus 2 into 0.25. So minus 1.25 minus 0.5. So minus 1.75. So question second already I am discussed. We have discussed it now. Now question number 3. Find out the first term. So every time your answer is 3, your answer is minus 5, here 1 by 3, and here 0.6. Now common difference, every time d find out mate consecutive work. So in first 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. In second d is equal to minus 1, in minus and minus 5. So minus 1 plus 5, that is plus 4. So in second, it is here, it is difference, d is equal to minus 2. Here d is equal to 4. Here 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 difference, here d is equal to. Here d is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6. That is 1.1. Now question number 4. Which of the following are AP? If they form AP, find the common difference d and write the 3 more terms. So d we have to check every time. 4 minus 2, that is 2. And 8 minus 4, that is 4. So here d is not equal every time. So we can say no. If it is no, not necessary to find out the common difference and more. Second, 5 by 2 minus 2. So 5 minus 4 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Now again 3. 3 minus 5 by 2. 3 to the 6. 6 minus 5 by 2. Again 1 by 2. So here d is equal to 1 by 2 equal. So we can say yes. If it is yes, we have to find out more 3. So you will see that 2 5 by 2 d half is added. 3 ma half ko to 7. Now if half is added, so 7 by 2 ma half add kariye, then we can get 4. So here it is 4. પછી શું લખવું પડશે? તો કે 4 to the 8 એટલે 9 by 2. Why? 4 plus half. Because difference is half, we have to add. That is 9 by 2. Then we have to write 5. So fourth question is important. Already I am discussed. We have say here it is no, here it is yes. Same thing you can find out yourself from here. Minus 1.2 minus 3.2. So minus 3.2 minus 1.2. So minus plus. So 3.2 plus 1.2. So minus 2. Again next પાછું જોઈ લે બીજું. Minus 5.2 minus 3.2. So minus 5.2 plus 3.2. So every time minus 2. So D is equal to minus 2. So we can say yes. When it is yes, we have to find out the more 3 terms. કેમ more 3 term find out કરવાના? Every time add difference. Difference add करो, we can get answer. So આ જે calculation હતું, that is important and it should be in 1 marks. કેટલા છે? 15 sums are there. So out of 15, I think first complete, second complete, third, okay, fourth જોઈ લે. Here I think it is minus 6 plus 10, that is 4. Now minus 2 plus 6, again 4. 2 minus 2. So again here it is yes. Now here આને જોઈએ. 3 plus root 2 minus 3, that is root 2. પછી 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So these 3 cut. So again root 2. So again we can say yes. So mostly આની અંદર yes આવતા હોય તો we have to go through, find out all the 3 more terms. એટલે D પહેલા ગોતી લેવાનો, પછી આમાં તો D 0 છે. If you will see difference 8th માં every time D is 0. So we can already find more term. If it is yes, then we have to find out the 3 terms. If it is no, we cannot find it. તો આગળના 3 terms એમાં find out કરી શકીએ નહીં. આમાં જોઈએ તો 2, આમાં no possible થાય નહીં. Here if you will see the A નો છે તો we can say yes. If you will see here આમાં જોઈ લઈએ તો A2 minus A possible, તો we can say no. બરાબર. અહીંયા root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2 every time. Here it is 4 root 2. So we can say here it is also yes. So I think it is sufficient in first lecture. It is with the 10th, 11th and 12th and diploma પણ આવે છે, ગવર્મેન્ટ એક્ઝામમાં પણ આવે છે arithmetic progression, અને તમને આવડવું જોઈએ. So from after Diwali vacation reopen, we have to start this. આ વેકેશન પછીના જે ચેપ્ટર છે એની અંદર we have start this lesson.